Okay, simplified 2 plus square root 7 bracket square minus 18 over 3 minus square root 7 in the form c plus d square root 7, where c and d are integer. So you look at this expression and you're asked to convert this expression into this form. So that means we have to get rid of the square root in the denominator. So whenever we see the square root in the denominator, we may want to apply the perfect square formula. Right, for example, this. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b, a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared. So say if my a and b now is square root of a and square root of b. So using the same method, you will get a minus b instead of a squared minus b squared. Okay. So this is how, because square root is a power half. So multiply by the square. So half times 2 is 1. So for this case, so this part, we just expand it as per normal. You can expand it manually or straight away apply the formula. Okay, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, because a plus b bracket square is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So a plus b bracket squared. Or you can also expand it manually if you want to. Okay, and then this one, multiply top and bottom by 3 plus square root 7. 3 plus square root 7. Why is 3 plus square root 7? Because if this is minus, then we use plus, applying this formula. Then we'll be able to get rid of the roots, the square root. Okay. If this is plus, then we'll have to multiply the top and bottom by minus 3 minus square root 7. 3 minus square root 7. Always remember, we are not supposed to change the original question. Okay. So because this and this are the same, so if you cancel, it's still back to 1. So this cancel by this is 1. So it will be back to the same question, same expression. Okay. So the next step, just expand it as per normal. So expand it. You can expand it manually. So put a bracket here just in case if you are careless. If you are careless, then put a negative, because there's a negative here. So it's better to put a bracket just in case if you are careless, then with a bracket would be easier for us to solve it. Okay. So 18 times 3, 18 times square root 7. Okay, when you remove the bracket. So the denominator, if you use the formula, becomes 3 squared and square root 7 squared. Okay, so it will be 9 minus 7. So this part, just tidy out the maths. So denominator, 9 minus 7 is 2. So now we can remove this bracket, minus 54 divided by 2. Minus times plus is also minus. So it's a minus 18 square root 7 divided by 2. So then we are nearly there. Just tidy out the maths. 54 over 7 over 2 is 27. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay. So 11 minus 27 is minus 16. 4 minus 9. 4 square root 7 minus 9 square root 7 is minus 5 square root 7. So we can always say, for example, trick the square root 7 is a. So 4a minus 9a will be minus 5a. Okay, so this is the answer.